I really don't like alcohol. Let me explain. Yesterday, after we got done Cerakoting parts, Bobby and I went to dinner, had a nice little birthday dinner, had some drinks there, went to a bar, had another drink there, went back to the house, and that's when I started taking these stupid fireball shots. And then I woke up today at noon. Sick. I'm not gonna lie, I used to really enjoy drinking, but nowadays, like as my life has changed and my goals and my aspirations of becoming a much better person changed, I feel like alcohol doesn't really have a place in my life anymore. And that's not to say I'm never gonna drink again, but I just drink a lot less now than I used to. Like back in the day, if I drank all the alcohol, I would have been fine the next morning. Nowadays, it's like, I can't even function at all. It's 3 o'clock right now. I was editing a stupid video all morning that took forever because I can't function. And now it's 3:08 p.m. and we are gonna try to work. So that's where my life is at right now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I feel like taking a nap. So yesterday we were doing a bunch of Cerakoting. We got these 2 arms done, this guy here, and these 2 arms done. So we still have 4 arms, 2 hubs, and the rear subframe. We did run out of Cerakote yesterday, so we're waiting on some more to come in. In the meantime, we can do some other cool stuff to this Evo 8 project. If you come outside, we have all of these parts sitting here that are super freaking crusty. Look at this stuff. All that is gonna look brand new when we're done with it. Today is gonna be a powder coat type of day. It should be nice and simple and easy on the brain because I can't think straight. So we need to start sandblasting stuff. Of course, that sway bar we cannot do. I do need to get that dropped off so we can get that done somewhere else. But everything else we should be able to get done today. The first two pieces are finished up. These are the brake disc shields. Now, of course, you can still see some like rust pitting underneath the powder coat because they weren't brand new. These things were rusty for many, many years, but they turned out super nice. The powder we are using is the one and only Ink Black from Prismatic Powders. I use ink black on everything. It's a really, really high gloss black. So I've had this giant bag laying around, and I use ink black pretty much on any part that ever goes black. It looks super nice. Up next are the rest of these tiny crusty pieces. Everything that has a bushing, for example, these rear diff mounts, we are masking off. I don't want to have issues when we go to press bushings back in because powder is pretty thick. It's much thicker than Cerakote. If we were Cerakoting these, we would not have to worry about masking any of this off because it's such a thin coating. Powder coat is super thick compared to Cerakote. This stuff here, we're gonna have to mask off. We also did some masking on the rear spindles. And then of course, any threads we're gonna have to mask as well, which I either just grab some tape, roll it up, jam it in there, or you can just throw a bolt in there. And I do think we do have another broken off bolt. I'm gonna try to grab that with vice grips real quick and get that thing out. I know I haven't talked much today. I think I'm too hungover to speak any words, but we just got the last parts in the oven. This powder goes 400 degrees for 10 minutes. It flows out really fast and it looks so amazing when it flows out. That bottom rack already fell once, so I hope those parts aren't too destroyed, but I think I'm gonna go look for a new oven or figure out how to build one, because it seems like every day we're having issues with this oven being too small. I'm gonna pull these guys out, let them cool down, and then I'll show you how everything turned out. So here is the finished look on everything that we just got coated. Looks so freaking nice. I know today was a very short, chill, laid back type of video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do want to use this exact powder coat that we just used, I'll link it down below, as well as the powder coat gun that we were using. Big shout out and thank you to Prismatic Powders for helping out with this build. If you guys are looking for any powders whatsoever, they have thousands and thousands of powders available on their site in multiple different colors. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.